Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix FIFA Mobile login failed using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your settings, click on General, iPhone Storage. Then now you just want to wait and then find the FIFA Mobile. Click on Offload App. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So just go ahead and offload the app and reinstall it again. And then after that, just go ahead and try if the problem has been fixed. And if it doesn't work, just go ahead and uninstall your game and install it again. Okay. And then after you installed it, that should help you with your problem. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.